CVMC, EC, Unit 2, Complex Integration, Lesson 11, Calculation of Residues, Calculation of Residues. Result 1. If Z is equal to A is a pole of order 1, simple pole, then residue f of A is equal to limit Z tends to A, Z minus A into f of Z, Z minus A into f of Z. Result 2. If Z is equal to A, if Z is equal to A is a pole of order n, then residue f of A is equal to limit Z tends to A 1 by n minus 1 factorial d power n minus 1 by dz power n minus 1 of Z minus A whole power n into f of Z into f of Z. To f of Z. Result 3. If f of Z is equal to phi of Z by psi of Z, here psi Z is equal to Z minus A into GZ. Then residue f of A is equal to limit Z tends to A, phi Z by psi Z is equal to phi of A by psi dash A. So put Z is equal to A directly in this, take derivative of psi dash and then put Z is equal to A. That is the meaning. So this we use this formula whenever denominator is 0, denominator value is 0, we use this formula. Otherwise, the above two formulae. So for problem 44, using residue theorem, evaluate into over C 1 minus 2Z by Z into Z minus 1 into Z plus 2 dz, where C mod Z is equal to 1.5. Your solution. Write first given f of Z is equal to 1 minus 2Z by Z into Z minus 1 into Z plus 2. Poles of f of Z are equating denominator to 0. Z is equal to 0, Z is equal to 1, Z is equal to minus 2. These are the poles. Now we have to calculate residues at poles. First, we have to decide which pole is lies inside the circle and on the circle, which pole lies outside the circle. Suppose any pole lies outside the circle, we cannot find residue at that pole. If any pole lies inside the circle or on the circle, then only we calculate residues at those poles. This is the procedure. Residue theorem procedure to evaluate the given integral. Mod z is equal to 1.5 is a circle with center C 0 0, radius r is equal to 1.5. Diagram. Zero zero, radius 1.5, 1.5. This is x, x dash, y, y dash. So 1.5. This is minus 1.5, minus 1.5. 0 lies inside the circle. 1 lies inside the circle. Minus 2 lies outside the circle. Up to this only minus 1.5. So minus 2 lies outside circle. So you write sentences. Z is equal to 0 is a pole of order 1. Z power 1. So order 1 lies inside the circle mod z is equal to 1.5. Z is equal to 1 is a pole of order 1 lies inside the circle mod z is equal to 1.5. Z is equal to minus 2 is a pole of order 1 lies outside the circle. Outside the circle. Mod z is equal to 1.5. Residue f of 0. Use result 1. Limit z tends to 0. A is equal to 0 here. Z minus a, z minus 0. F of z is equal to limit z tends to 0. Z minus 0 z. What is your f of z? 1 minus 2z by z into z minus 1 into z plus 2. Z cancel. Put z is equal to 0 here. 1 minus 0 by 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 2. So minus 1 by 2. Residue f of 1. Here a is 1. Use result 1. Same result. Limit z tends to 1. Z minus 1 into f of z is equal to limit z tends to 1. Z minus 1 into 1 minus 2z by z into z minus 1 z plus 2. Z minus 1 cancel. Put z is equal to 1 here. 1 minus 2. 2 into 1. 1 into 1 plus 2. So minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. By residue theorem. You need not find residue f of minus 2. Minus 2 lies outside the circle. Automatically the residue is 0. We need not find. Only lies inside the circle. On the circle we have to find residues. This is the procedure. By residue theorem, integral over C f of z dz is equal to 2 pi into sum of the residues integral over C 1 minus 2z by z into z minus 1 to z plus 2 dz is equal to 2 pi I to residue f of 0 plus residue f of 1 is equal to 2 pi I into minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 2 pi I into LCM 6 minus 3 minus 2, so minus 5, 2 cancel here 3 times, minus 5 pi I by 3. This is your required answer. Problem 45. Using residue theorem, evaluate integral over C 2z plus 1 by 2z minus 1 whole square dz, comma C such that mod z is equal to 1. Solution. Your f of consider your f of z is 2z plus 1 by 2z minus 1 whole square. Poles of f of z are given by equating denominator to 0. So 2z minus 1 into 2z minus 1 equal to 0. Z is equal to 1 by 2. Z is equal to 1 by 2. So whole square 2 times pole of order 2. Z is equal to 1 by 2 is a pole of order 2. Okay. Next you write circle. Mod z is equal to 1 is a circle with center C 0 0 and radius r is equal to 1. Diagram x dash y dash 0 0 center, radius 1. So 1 by 2 lies inside the circle. Z is equal to 1 by 2 is a pole of order 2 times here, of order 2 lies inside the circle. Mod z is equal to 1 lies inside the circle. Mod z is equal to 1. Now use result 2, higher power more than 1. We have to use result 2. Residue f of 1 by 2, a value 1 by 2 here. Limit z tends to a 1 by 2, 1 by n minus 1 factorial. Here n means order 2 means this is nothing but n. So n minus 2 minus 1 factorial d power n minus 1, 2 minus 1 d by dz of z minus a, z minus 1 by 2 whole square into f of z. This is your formula. This is your formula. Is equal to limit z tends to 1 by 2, 1 by 1 factorial, that is 1. So d by dz of z minus 1 by 2 whole square, 2z minus 1 whole square taking LCM by 2 square 4 into f of z. What is your f of z? 2z plus 1 by 2z minus 1 whole square. 2z minus 1 whole square. So this one cancel. Limit 1 by 4 constant. Z tends to 1 by 2. D by dz of 2z plus 1. 2z plus 1 derivative with respect to z. 2z derivative 2 plus 1 derivative 0. No z here. So z tends to 1 by 2 of 2 is nothing but 2. So 1 by 4 into 2. 1 by 2 by residue theorem. By residue theorem, integral over c f of z dz is equal to 2 pi into sum of the residues, 2 pi into 1 by 2, nothing but pi I. Problem 46. Using residue theorem, evaluate integral over c z square by z minus 1 whole square into z plus 2 dz, where c is such that mod z is equal to 2.5. Solution. Consider f of z is equal to z square by z minus 1 whole square into z plus 2. Poles of f of z are equating denominator equal to 0. We get z is equal to 1 is a pole of order 2 whole square is there. Z is equal to minus 2 is a pole of order 1 whole power 1. Z plus 2 whole power 1. This is z minus 1 whole square. Is a pole of order 2 is a pole of order 1. Observe the difference. Now given circle mod z is equal to 2.5 is a circle with center C0, 0, radius r is equal to 2.5. Now draw the circle diagram. So 2.5, 2.5 minus 2.5 minus 2.5 y dash y x dash x 0. So 1 lies inside the circle. Minus 2, look here, this is minus 2.5, this is minus 2, lies inside the circle. Both poles lie inside the circle. Inside the circle, mod z is equal to 2.5. Z is equal to 1 is a pole of order 2 lies inside the circle, mod z is equal to 2.5. Z is equal to minus 2 is a pole of order 1 lies inside the circle, mod z is equal to 2.5. Residue f of 1, so higher order, so limit z tends to 1 by order 2 means n is equal to n minus 1, 2 minus 1 factorial d by use result to here n is, so z minus a whole square, z minus 1 whole square f of z. This is equal to limit z tends to 1 factorial 1 d by dz of z minus 1 whole square. What is your f of z? Z square by z minus 1 whole square to z plus 2. Z minus 1 whole square cancel. Limit z tends to 1. Derivative of d by dz of z square by z plus 2. U by v formula. V into z plus 2 into z square derivative 2z minus z square into z derivative 1 by v square z plus 2 whole square is equal to z is equal to 1. 1 plus 2, 3, 2 into 1, 3 into 2 minus 1 square 1 by 1 plus 2 whole square. 6 minus 1, 5 by 3 square, 9. 5 by 9. Residue f of minus 2. This is simple pole. So limit z tends to minus 2, z minus of minus z plus 2 into f of z. Limit z tends to minus 2, z plus 2 into what is your f of z? Your f of z is z square by z minus 1 whole square into z plus 2. Z plus 2, z plus 2 cancel. Put z is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 whole square by minus 2 minus 1 whole square. So 4 by minus 3 whole square 9. 4 by 9. By residue theorem, integral over C f of z dz is equal to 2 pi I into SR. SR means sum of the residues. Integral over C z square by z minus 1 whole square into z plus 2 dz is equal to 2 pi I into sum of the residues 5 by 9 plus 4 by 9 is equal to 2 pi I into 9 by 9, 1. So we get 2 pi I. This is your answer.